Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob for a Ford Taurus. And this one was used for quite a while, so from 2008 to present. If you've got a Ford Taurus key fob like this and the battery's died, here's how you change it. So we got to separate this into two pieces, and the first thing you want to do is find this notch in the upper right up here. You can see there's a little bit of a notch. We need to get in there to get some leverage to pull these two pieces apart. So if you use a flathead screwdriver or even just another key, get in there and then just push and twist and start to get some separation between these two pieces. And if you go towards the middle where there's a hole for like a key ring, that's a good spot to get in there and twist. And if you get those two spots, you should be able to pop this apart and get access to the internal CR2032 battery. And that'll just kind of fall out. And once you put this back in, when you grab a new one, I'll link to it at the bottom, but this battery has positive side and negative side. Just make sure the positive side with the lettering is facing towards you. Place that back in. And then there's a rubber piece here that has kind of a outline for the battery. Just make sure that that is lined up when you push this back on. Snap the part back together, and that's it. That's how you change the key fob battery for Ford Taurus if you need to replace that. Again, the battery that you'll need is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery for your Ford Taurus.